I have got three amazing palettes here. They are completely matte, and I don't know what I would do without them. They are in my everyday routine. So if you want to find out what palettes those are, just keep watching. Hey everybody, for those of you who are new, I am Mandy and thank you so much and welcome to the video. Alright guys, today I'm about to show you three of my must-have palettes. I absolutely love these palettes. Now they are completely matte, so if you're pulling in any shimmer shades or anything, you are going to have another palette to pull in with these. But everybody uses mattes. Like me, I have to have mattes in my transition and in my crease. And a lot of times I will do an all matte look. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now the first palette, the Lorac Pro Matte Palette. I absolutely love this palette and I've had this for about 3 years now and it is still going strong. And of course, if you see, all my pans I've hit pan on just about every shade except for 2 shades. And the black in here is one of the blackest shades that I have. And it is so hard to find a black matte shade with absolutely no shimmer. You can use this for a liner. You could do just about anything. And it does have that deep, dark, plummy, burgundy color that I absolutely love. This is just an all-around one of the most perfect palettes that I've ever used in my life. And again, you will have to pull in some shimmer shades, but most of your palettes have got some shimmer shades in it, and it's hard to find a good all matte palette. And today I'm showing you 3. And now for the next palette is the Tarte Tartelette palette, and I know for those of you who have been with me for a while, you are not surprised to see this little guy because this is an all matte palette, and of course it does have a lot of natural shades and there are a lot of neutrals. I find it to be the perfect palette to go with any look. I have only had this for a few months, but I've been using this every single day, and I do love that it has the cream shades. It not only has one, but it has got 3 shades out of the creams that you can choose from. One with a pink undertone, one with a yellow undertone, and one with just a soft, really soft white, like ivory bone shade. And I do love that it gives you 3 options for cream shades, because you know in just about every palette they're not going to give you but one option for that shade. And for the last palette, guys, this is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eye Contour Palette. You know your girl ain't gonna steer you wrong. I absolutely love this palette. Now this is supposed to be the dupe palette to the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I have not tried that palette. I wish I did. As far as using just this one, it is perfect. I absolutely love this, especially if on those no makeup days, or if you just want to contour your eyes. If you're going for that no eyeshadow look, this palette is absolutely perfect for doing that. And if you could tell, I've hit pan on quite a few shades on this. It does have that deep, dark, rusty orange color that I'm just absolutely drawn to that shade. I think brown shadows, orange shadows looks really good on brown eyes. And those are the shades that I'm drawn to. And it also does have some cool tones. And if you remember, I use this palette to contour sometimes. This shade right here in the middle, I find it to be a perfect contour color. Now this is labeled all eyeshadows, so those 3 shades down here, I don't know why they're bigger. Actually, that does work perfect for a face contour for my skin tone. If you do have the Shade and Light palette, I wouldn't consider getting this. This was only, I believe it was only $9. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing these 3 palettes. If you've already got them in your collection, congratulations. You have got some great palettes. For other matte palettes that I'm leaving out of this video that you know I'll leave them down in the comment section. I love trying the all matte palettes. They are one of my favorites. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tarte family. We would love to have you. I love y'all, and I'll see you next video. Bye.